It's about finding smart people and giving them hard problems to solve and the environment and the freedom to do it. Not only kind of being able to bring more people into the IT developer pool, but also make the developers you have much more universal, and that's really the vision of the future for IT.
At MS Companies, we started looking at citizen development because we were trying to build applications that had a big impact on our business.
We want to make sure we are very closely working in partnership with our business line because we're here again to serve them and find the right solution for them.
If you find that problem and have a citizen developer solve it, you can really show the benefit of that program.
So the way we do is we build an app in Salesforce where anybody in the company can request for citizen development, and we have a simple checklist to go through and validate their skill sets against the requests.
And then a little bit of guidance just to make sure at the end it's hardened, it's not a security risk, you're not using SSN when you shouldn't be, and as the wins are much more visible across, the other leaders are going to want to say, hey, boy, I have a big backlog too, let's get some of that.
The trust between the business and IT as one seamless unit is going to be a big driver for the citizen development. And that then automatically takes bigger shapes, it just evolves.
At some point it's going to be a lot harder to tell who's an IT person and who's a business person, and I think that's awesome.